Come join me and my shikoku-ken Kaya as we explore the dog park in Banff. It's double fenced and she needs a fence, so very impressed.
You find Pika.
So we made it to the dog park here in Banff. It's a brand new dog park, actually. There's two, and this one is the latest addition. And it's right in the rec center. It's by the stables. And I mean, it's not huge, but it's like a nice medium-sized, fully enclosed dog park. And it seems pretty nice. Like, look at this. That's the kind of dog park that I would love to go to every day. Kaya had a really great time visiting the dog park, but she had a great time in Banff in its entirety. And that's the thing, is if you bring your dog with you, they're gonna enjoy Banff no matter what. But they're gonna enjoy it even more if you bring them to a dog park like this. And all the other dogs were really nice as well. So she loved it.